Well, I've got to say, guys, I have been super excited for this one. This is the Midnight Waikiki collection from Mostive. I have been wanting to swatch this for ages. It is such cool packaging, which I usually am not a fan of because I know it costs extra money and I never know what to do with it afterwards. But like, I don't know, something about this is just too fun. It's too fun. For the first time, I was like, oh my God, I really love it. So this is a beautiful Korean gel set that I picked up from Sweetie Nail Supply. Of course, I will put the link in the description below so you can pick it up. I bought this myself and I will include a coupon code for you guys so that you can get a discount on it should you decide to, or anything else for that matter. So it's got this lovely little color card to do it. It is a 10-piece set, I think. Yeah, it's a 10-piece set. And I'm going to swatch it. All right, so I've got my swatches ready and I'm just going to get right into it because I'm really excited for this collection. It looks like it should be more of a spring, summer kind of deal, but I don't know, just a lot of fun colors, and I think regardless, it'll be a good one. So I will unpack this and get started. Oh wow, even just organizing these bottles, I was loving the colors. Like, look at these. I'm really excited for this color palette, guys. It is so bright and so pretty. And I think it just really hits all those colors that I like, the purples and pinks and blues. You know, these two are like meh, but all the rest of them, yeah, they just hit for me. These bottles, I love the color being on the bottle. I'm not sure how much it's going to match, but it looks like it's going to, so we will see about that. And they are 12 ml bottles, so a nice, decent size. And I did get them on clearance. I think they were only about $100, which is why I grabbed them, because I've never tried out the Mostive brand. And even though it's an older collection, I just wanted to give it a whirl and see what I think of it. So what we have is color numbers 102 through 111. And I like how nice and heavy these bottles are. They feel really good and sturdy. It's going on quite kind of streaky, but that could have something to do with it being really cold in my studio right now. So the polish might be reacting to that. I'll try putting the heat up a bit and see if it makes a difference. Because it's very chilly in here. Not just a little, but very chilly. My nose is getting cold. Yeah, quite pigmented, but we'll see how it goes. Here's our second coat. So I'm struggling a little bit with avoiding streakiness, and it is very opaque with that second layer. It's a nice thick creamy consistency, but I'm not finding it self-leveling all that well. I'll give it a bit of time and see what happens. Now, oranges are notoriously bad for pigment and self-leveling and such. Oranges and yellows and some greens, they're just really tricky. But yeah, after leaving it for a minute, it has seemed to have self-leveled a bit. So there's not as much patchiness and stuff in there. So I'll cure that. This is 103, 103. Oh, okay, that is a gorgeous color. I'm starting to wonder if maybe they aren't marketed as syrup gels because these are not very syrupy. They seem very opaque, quite creamy. Gorgeous color vibrancy though, holy cow. That color is just stunning. Second coat. Good Lord, this is such an electric pink color, like, whew. It's just wild. color payoff on these is incredible. Oh, this is 104. Look at that. Ugh. Oh my goodness, I am so happy I got these. These colors are incredible. This is number 105. Gorgeous purple. This is 106. Here we have number 107. This one looks like it needs to be mixed. There's pink and purple hues in there if you can see them. So I'll give that a good mix up. All right, it's nicely mixed. Oh, wow. Look at that. The pigments in these polishes really give me an idea of chalkiness, if that makes sense. I noticed it with some of my tiny polishes as well. It just gives me the idea of like chalk pigment. Like it's so well pigmented and so beautiful. It's just the pigment, the way it works, seems really interesting, really different. Wowza. It's just so nice. And this is 108. Such a deep royal blue. That is gorgeous. This is 109. You can see some other colors in there. So this one looks like it needs to be mixed really well too. I'm seeing like pinky purpley in there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I'm seeing it, so I better mix. Here we have 110. Love this color. Oh, this color's so pretty. I want to paint everything in my world in this color. And last but not least, we have number 111. Beautiful baby blue. And here we are with the collection all swatched. As always, I've got a matte coat for the base and then glossy down to the tip so that I can see what the effect will be regardless of how I top coat it. I've just got to say, this is such a stunning, absolutely stunning, bright and colorful summer palette. These colors are gorgeous. Not exactly the syrup consistency that I was expecting. They're heavily pigmented, but they're really nice and thick and creamy, and they self-level really well. And the color is just phenomenal. It is so bright and vibrant. They just look amazing. Amazing. I'm really, really happy with these. This is definitely a set I would recommend picking up if you want a vibrant, intense summer palette to play with, because I don't think you can go wrong with these. They're gorgeous. Definitely, if you see these on sale anywhere, do yourself a favor and snatch them up for summer. Of course, as always, I will leave the link down in the description below. Don't know if it's still available or not, but if it is, it's a beauty, that's for sure. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these. They're some very gorgeous colors. I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching my videos. Of course, as always, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye.